You may be familiar with MySchoolBucks as a convenient way to pay for your child's school meals. It also has a great school store feature where parents can make additional purchases such as classroom snacks and birthday baskets. All snacks are Smart Snack compliant. In this video, we're going to show you how to use the MySchoolBucks website and the MySchoolBucks app to purchase the newly added classroom snacks. One important thing to remember is that items purchased in the SGASD store cannot be paid for using credit on your child's school meals account. It is considered a separate purchase. Let's get started. First, we'll show you how to use the MySchoolBucks website to make a purchase. In the address bar of your internet browser, type in myschoolbucks.com. Once the site loads, click on the blue login button at the top right of the page. If you already have an account, simply type in your username and password and click the Login button. If you do not have an account, click the Sign Up Today link to create your account. After you are logged into your account, select the SGASD store. Scroll down to the middle of the page to view the items available to purchase and click on the View Details of the classroom snacks. Each snack bundle contains 20 assorted individually wrapped Smart Snack compliant snacks for $5. In the quantity section, select the total number of bundles you wish to purchase. Next, you'll type in your child's teacher's name and select their grade level. Lastly, select your child's school building. When your selections are completed, you can either click on the blue Add to Basket button if you want to make additional purchases, or select the Buy Now button to immediately check out. At the checkout page, you can review your order to make sure everything is correct, type in your credit card information, and then click on the blue Continue button to complete your purchase. Next, we'll show you how to purchase the classroom snacks using the MySchoolBucks app that is available in both the Apple and Google App Stores. Open the app on your mobile device, enter your username and password, and click on the orange Sign In button. Once you are signed into the app, click the Store icon button at the bottom of your screen. Click the Classroom Snacks button, scroll down to complete the form, then click the green Add to Cart button to add the item to your shopping cart. To check out, click the shopping cart icon at the top right of your screen. Review the items in your cart to ensure it is correct, then click the green Checkout button. On this page, you will add your credit card information, then click the green Pay Now button. You will then see your order has been processed and is now complete. Nutrition Services will receive the order and will bring the snacks to the teacher for the class to enjoy at a time when the teacher sees fit. Thank you in advance for using the MySchoolBucks system to purchase snacks for the classroom.